Introducing Pump Source's fully automated hydrostatic test pump system, designed to revolutionize pressure testing with unmatched safety, intelligent automation, and maximum efficiency. With cutting-edge technology, automated test analysis, and a streamlined workflow, this system takes the guesswork out of hydrostatic testing. Whether you're testing single components or running multi-test sequences, this system ensures precision, reliability, and compliance with every test. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through setting up and managing test templates, executing single and multi-test sequences, and generating comprehensive reports, all with ease. Let's get started. To begin, click on the Test Settings button to access the configuration panel. Here, you can customize your test parameters manually or use a pre-existing test template. To manually configure a test, disable the Use Test Templates toggle. Now, let's go through the key settings. Set the duration and unit of measurement for the test run time. Define the safety limit to prevent overpressurization in the maximum pressure setting. Input the target pressure for your test in the test pressure setting. Specify the lowest pressure threshold for a passing test in the minimum pressure setting. Enable incremental ramp-up feature if you need staged pressure increases, adding increments and pause durations. Choose between total loss method or variable loss method for analyzing pressure loss. Total loss method measures the overall pressure drop over the full test duration using a set pressure value, percentage, or both. Variable loss method analyzes pressure loss over specified time intervals, allowing the system to validate pressure stability at multiple points throughout the test. Unlike conventional methods where operators must manually monitor gauges and calculate pressure loss, this system automatically compares pressure data, ensuring accurate and reliable results without human intervention. Once you've entered all parameters, review the summary and simply close the Test Settings window to save your settings. If you want to reuse these settings in future tests, click the plus button and enter a template name. To apply a saved template, enable the Use Test Templates toggle and select from the list. Multi-test mode allows consecutive tests in a sequence. Enable this mode using the toggle at the bottom left, then open Multi-Test Settings. To create a test sequence, click the plus button and name your sequence. Select a test template from the drop-down and add it to the sequence and continue adding templates as needed. Reorder tests by dragging them into position. If a full bleed down is required between tests, enable the checkbox next to that test. Now, let's configure the test items. Click the Test Items button, then clear any previous entries. Enter details for each test item and click Add. The system allows for multiple items to be tested as an assembly, which will generate a separate report for each. Once all items are added, close the Test Items page to complete the setup. With test items ready, click Start Test to begin data logging. Then, click Auto Test Start to automatically initiate the test sequence. You can stop the test at any time by clicking Auto Test Stop. In Auto Test mode, the system controls all pump functions and disables manual push buttons. If not activated, manual operation is available. During ramp-up, the red background indicates pressure is below the minimum setting. Once the test pressure is reached, the isolation valve closes and the countdown timer starts. The system continuously analyzes pressure loss using stored data points and timestamps, automatically comparing current pressure values with previous readings. If pressure falls below the minimum setting, the system will automatically increase pressure back to the test setting and restart the test timer. This process will be attempted up to 3 times before the test is marked as failed and the system initiates a bleed down. Upon successful completion, the chart turns green and the system automatically generates a test report. To finalize, enter the operator and witness names, sign in the provided signature box, and click Create Report to review the test summary. To review results, click Yes when the report window appears, or access test files from the desktop. The system automatically organizes test data to streamline file management. When a new item is tested for the first time, the system will create a new folder in the designated desktop location. All future tests of this item will be automatically stored inside the same folder, keeping test reports structured and easy to retrieve. Pump Source's automated test pump system is designed with intelligent automation to enhance efficiency, reduce costly errors, and improve safety. For more information or to request a quote, visit www.pumpsrc.com.